أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is Sayyid Shamina, the English teacher. So we are about to begin a new lesson, which is peer profile. So what does peer mean? Peer means a companion or a friend. Any of your friends can be called your peer. And profile means a set of data. So what does this mean? Peer profile, the data, a set of data about your friend or a companion. A set of data includes his name, his address, his likes and dislikes. So let's begin the lesson. So peer profile. Get 10 of your friends to fill in the sheet for you. Now everyone is at home, but you can do this activity with your neighborhood friends. If you have friends in your neighborhood, you can do this activity with them. अगर आपके आसपास में या आपके एरिया में आपके फ्रेंड्स होंगे तो आप उनके साथ भी ये एक्टिविटी कर सकते हैं. So what do you have to do first? You have to distribute sheets with your friends. आपको 10 फ्रेंड्स चाहिए इसके लिए. अगर 10 ना हो तो even you can do with 5 friends also. So distribute sheets of paper and write in the columns like my name, at home they call me, my friends call me, some of the things enjoy like this. Okay, so first we'll see my name. So what is my name? My name is Anisha Kishore Ambekar. So you can, the person may write his name accordingly. Okay, at home they call me Sona. Suppose your name is Anisha Kishore Ambekar as given in the book, but you suppose your name is Alisa Khan. So at home they call you Alisa, or some other nickname by saying Shiza or any nickname. So you have to write it down in that section. My friends call me Nisha. Some of the things I enjoy: swimming, ice cream. You can write anything. You can enjoy reading. You can enjoy ice cream, chocolate, or hanging out outside. Anything that you enjoy. Some of the things I appreciate: music, good handwriting. Some of the things I appreciate मतलब आपको जो चीज़ें अच्छी लगती है और जिसको आप प्रेज करते हो, like music or handwriting. Okay, now the next one is some of the things I fear: a mouse, singing in front of the class. So what do you fear? आप क्या चीज़ से डरते हैं? You can write it down. Suppose it's given here is a mouse. चूहे से generally everyone fears with a mouse. So a mouse and singing in front of the class. So yes, everyone hesitates to sing in front of the class. So you can write down your fears. Now the next one is some of the things I had to do. Cut onions. There are many things like I had to wake up very early in the morning, or so many I had to wash dishes. You can write even this. Some of the things I have to do: get up early in the morning, क्योंकि रोज उठना ही पड़ता है, करना ही पड़ता है. You can write according to your will. Some of the things I will never do: tell a lie to my mother. That's a good one. Some of my good habits: brushing twice in a day. You can write your good habit like bathing every day, being punctual with work, or anything what you are good at. Some of my bad habits: stuffing my clothes in the cupboard without folding them. It means कबर्ड के अंदर कपड़े रख देना without folding them. बिना घड़ी के हुए कबर्ड के अंदर कपड़े ठूस देना. Some of my bad habits, you can write your bad habits. My favorite personality: महेंद्र सिंह धोनी. अब ये हर किसी का चेंज होगा. ओके, हर किसी की प्रोफाइल अलग अलग रहेंगे, हर किसी का डेटा अलग अलग होगा. You can write your favorite personality. What I like most about this person? He's a very good companion, or he's a very good captain. Companion means friends, or he's a very good captain of the team you play with that person. And at the bottom you have to write you have to do your signature, that is Anisha. So this may differ from friend to friend. सबका सेम रहेगा कि नहीं? It will differ from friend to friend. But you have to try this activity at your home among your friends. Now, after you have collected the filled-in sheets from your friends, go through all of them and make notes for each of the points. What do you have to do? You have to collect the sheets which are filled by your friends. आपके friends ने fill किए हुए sheets आपको collect करना है. Go through all of them. You have to look at them and see all the points they had written, and make notes for each of the points. आपको note down करना है. Use the notes to write a report about your friends. What do you have to do now? You have to write a report. आपका जैसा स्कूल में report card होता है, जैसे आपको आपके friend का report card बनाना है. Use the notes to write a report about your friends. Likes, dislikes, habits, favorite personalities, etc. Use the notes to write a report about your friends' likes. क्योंकि अपन friends को दे रहे हैं ना, तो उनके बारे में हम डेटा कलेक्ट कर रहे हैं. तो उनके लाइक्स, डिसलाइक्स, लाइक्स मतलब जो वो चीज़ें पसंद करते हैं, डिसलाइक्स मतलब वो जो नहीं पसंद करते. हैबिट्स, फेवरेट पर्सन, एक्सेट्रा. You have to make a note of all these things and you have to report it down. You can present your report orally or in writing. You can present your report orally or in your writing. You can write it down or report it orally also. मतलब ज़बानी भी बोल सकते हैं. So what you have to do? First you have to distribute 10 sheets among your friends and you have to write the columns of names and everything and ask them to write accordingly. After they had written, you have to collect those sheets and you have to read all the data and collect it and make a report of the data they had filled. You will get to know the likes, dislikes, habits, favorite personalities, etc. about your friends. Now you have to report it orally or in writing. Now remember the following things when you make a written or oral presentation. आप जब आपका report बताओगे, you have to remember these following things. The first one is you need not mention the names of your friends in your presentation. You should only give a summary of what you observe in the responses given by many people. What you have to do while writing the report, you don't have to write the name of your friends. आपको report card पे आपके friends का नाम नहीं लिखना है. You just have to give a summary of what you observe in the responses given by many people. आपको just summary लिखना है और summary notice करना है. You don't have to write it everything. So we will see what else points do we have to cover while writing down the report card in the next video. I hope you have understood what I have taught you. It's very simple. What you have to do is just collect 10 friends and distribute 10 sheets among your friends. आपको 10 friends possible नहीं होगा तो 5 friends के साथ भी कर सकते हैं, 3 friends के भी साथ कर सकते हैं. आपको उनको sheets देना है और आपको उनके बारे में सब जानना है. मतलब आपके फ्रेंड्स मतलब peer प्रोफाइल मतलब सेट ऑफ डेटा आपको उनका कलेक्ट करना है. कैसे करेंगे? बाय राइटिंग डाउन दिस कॉलम्स. माय नेम, एट होम, दे कॉल मी मतलब निक नेम. बाय फ्रेंड्स कॉल मी मतलब आपके फ्रेंड्स क्या बोलते हैं आपको, उनको मतलब उनको. सम ऑफ द थिंग्स आई एंजॉय, सम ऑफ द थिंग्स आई अप्रिशिएट, सम ऑफ द थिंग्स आई फियर, ऐसे सब लिखना है. लास्ट में आपको सिग्नेचर करना है. देन व्हेन योर फ्रेंड्स हैव रिटर्न दिस डेटा, आपको उनकी शीट्स वापस लेना है. यू हैव टू रिकलेक्ट इट फ्रॉम देम and you have to write down the report of all the data they had written. And while writing it down, you don't have to mention the name of your friends. I hope you have got what I had taught you today. We'll see what else points do we need to consider while writing the peer profile of your friends. Jazakallah khairan for listening. Here I am signing